We are pleased to show you the 2016 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. Come see the car for yourself.